Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to run command prompt commands using Windows shortcut. Right click, New, Shortcut. Opening quotes // Windows/System32 /cmd.x. Closing quotes \k sfc /scanno. Click Next. Change the name of the shortcut. Click Finish. Right-click Shortcut, Run as Administrator. Command executed successfully. You can change any command other than SFC. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.